What's the difference after installing BONOSS wheel spacers on Lexus ES? Let's get it. BONOSS manufacturer-produced wheel spacers are made of high-grade forged 7075 T6 aluminum alloy, which features many desirable properties, such as high-strength wheel resistance. Compared with ordinary aluminum alloy 7075 materials, the tensile strength and yield strength are about 5 times higher.
With these spacers on, then the wheels are much flush with the fender.
So that's all for today's video. If you have any questions, please leave the comments below. See you next time. Bye bye.